In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create an app and then probably install it on our mobile phone. Now, to start with it, we need to launch our ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is an AI from OpenAI that you can use to do anything that you want. Maybe you are just familiar with just giving it a query or maybe asking it a question. But you can just create an app like this and then use it. So the first thing that we need to do is to start with a prompt. So I will leave the prompt in the description. Maybe you want to try it. So we are saying that is to create a responsive and beautifully styled web app using HTML, CSS, and Java. The app should be able to run. Now what we are going to do is that we want to create an age calculator app, whereby when you input your date of birth, then it tells you how old you are. So in the app, we want it to allow users to input their name. The name will be used to customize the message that it will tell them their age. And I also want it to instantly calculate and display their age with a personalized message like, so it comes with their name and then the age will show up. So we want to include a button whereby when they click on it, it calculates, and then also another button that will to clear or reset the information that is in. So this is the prompt, so let's give it to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT will do. So this one, there is no database behind it. It's a simple HTML and CSS and JavaScript. ChatGPT has finished with the script. So here it combines both HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is the code. So what we need to do is that we just have to copy this thing here. So now let's just open a notepad and save it inside. So I'll just open a notepad and then paste this code inside. So this is the whole script for our age calculator app. So here we need to save it as index.html. So just come to save. Now you name it. Please always use the index.html. Now we're going to host this app online so that it can be accessed by anyone, and at the end of the day we'll also share it as APKs that we can install on our mobile phone. So I'll just save it index.html. So let me just put download. I'm saving it in download, so I'll just save it. Right, so now our app has been saved on our computer. Now let's check it out here. So let me go to the download. So this is the app, so let's open it and see. All right, so this is the age calculator. All right, so let's input something inside here. So now put in my date of birth. All right, so now when you hit on the calculate and it tells you, hello Frank, you are 24 years old. That's amazing. All right, so this is an app is running locally on our computer. So how do we put this thing online so that we can share with our friends and then also download the APK file? So the next thing that we need to go is that we need to head towards to this website. So head towards to TinyHost. So TinyHost is a free hosting that you can host your apps or your website on. So let's open to TinyHost and we're going to put our website. All right, so this is TinyHost. So we're going to upload our app file here. So you can just upload your file. All right, so I'll just locate the file. So this is just one file which contains all the script that we need. So I'll just open it here. All right, so we need to sign up. So I can just go to Gmail. I'll just continue with my Gmail. So here we need to just select what we're using it for. So you can just choose personal website or project. So you just got to go to complete. So we've uploaded our file successfully. So let me just update or make some changes. So let's name our URL know your age. All right, so I'll just publish it here. So now this is our URL to the app that we've just uploaded. So you can share this one with your friend. So let's view it here and see how it looks like. All right, so basically this is our age calculator. It's live now. So this is the URL knowyourage.tiny.site. So that is it. So the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to change or convert this whole site into an APK file that we can install on our mobile phone. Basically, you can also share this with your friend and they can access it here. So the next thing that we're going to do is that we just search for web into app. So the web into app is a platform you can convert any website to an Android app or maybe an iOS. So I'll just open to it. All right, so now when you come, you just get started here. So now when you come, we have online URL and HTML file. So we can either go by that because we have already hosted it we want our app to be live online, so we have it over here. So I'll just copy the URL here. So you copy the URL, and when you come here, you just paste it in this URL. So you paste it here. Right, so now you give your app name. So maybe know your age. Right, so the version, you can leave all this in here, and the company, maybe you want to use a brand for your company. So the next thing I will do is that we need to change an icon or choose an icon for it. All right, so now you can just search for an icon online. So these are all icons that I can choose. Let me look at for one. So we can just right click on it and then save it. We'll name it app icon and then save it here. Right, so now let's go back to our web into app. So here I'll just select an icon. So we'll click on it, then we'll use this one. When you finish, you just go to next. So when you hit on make app, then you need to register, so let's sign up quickly. So after it, you register. All right, so we have signed up successfully. So let me hit on it again. So it's converting our app. All right, so we are done. So let me download the APK file. So our file is being downloading here. All right, so now our app has been successfully downloaded. So let's open here, and then we can see it. When you go inside, now you go to the Android folder. So this is our file. So this is the APK file. All right, so now we're going to put this file on our Google Drive so that we can share it with our friends so that they can just download it. So let me just go to my Google Drive. So I'll come to my Google Drive here. All right, so now I'll just click on this one and then upload the file here. So let me just extract the file from here. So extract all the files here. All right, so we've extracted the file. So let's open it and go to the Android folder. So this is the APK file, and I'll just open it. All right, so this is the file. It has finished. So I'll just click on it. So here and share the link to our colleagues, and then we download this app. So let me come to the share. So under the share, you need to change restrictions so that can allow anyone with a link. So over here, general access, I'll just come here and say anyone with a link. All right, so I'll just click on done. I can even copy the link here. All right, so let me open my phone and then check it out there. All right, so now this is my phone. So let me go to the drive. All right, so now this is the file we just uploaded on our Google Drive. So I'll just tap on it. So need to change settings here because it's on Google Drive. So I'll just allow it from this source. So install. So now our app is installed. So let's check it out. So let me go to my phone and see where the app is residing. So you can see it here, know your age. That's very beautiful. So let's check it out. So this is our app calculator. That's very nice. Let's try it here. So I'll pick a date. So go to the year. So I can choose any year at all. Let's as maybe I was born on 2006, and then I'll set it. So I'll just say calculate. So it says, hello, John, you are 19 years old. So now our app has been successfully, and it's on our mobile phone. Now you can clear it. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to design or create any app at all. Just have to give it the right command, and now you have it there. So that is it. So let me know in the comment section if you are having any challenges with this. I'm here to help you. Don't forget to share this video if it has been very useful, and then subscribe if it happens to be your first time. Now see you in the next video. Bye bye.